In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Smartsheet account. Whether you've decided it's time to move on or are simply freeing up some space, I'm here to guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to sign into your Smartsheet account. You can do this by heading over to the main website, app.smartsheet.com. Enter your login details as you normally would, ensuring you're using the correct credentials to access the account you wish to delete. Once you've managed to log in successfully, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a series of options designed to navigate through different aspects of your account. You're going to want to focus on the Account section. Click on it, and then proceed to select Plan and Billing Info. This is where you will initiate the process of canceling your account. Once you've clicked into Plan and Billing Info, locate the option labeled Cancel Account and click on it. Now, this is the part where you need to make a decision based on how you would like to proceed with your account cancellation. You have a few options at this stage. The first option allows you to cancel at the end of your current subscription cycle. With this choice, your Smartsheet content will remain usable until the end of your subscription period. After that, your sheets will switch to read-only mode and will be deleted after 30 days. The second option available to you is to cancel immediately. Choosing this option will make your sheets read-only right away, and then they'll follow the same 30-day deletion process. If you are certain that you want everything removed promptly, you can opt for the Delete Account option. This will lead to the immediate deletion of your account and all of its data. Once you've made up your mind on which cancellation method suits you best, go ahead and confirm your selection. At this point, you may be prompted to fill out a brief survey. This feedback is valuable for Smartsheet to understand user experiences and possibly improve their service. Take a moment to complete it if you choose. Submit your decision, and you should receive confirmation of your cancellation. The confirmation will include details about the timing of the termination based on your earlier selection. Remember, it's crucial to ensure you've saved or backed up any necessary data before proceeding with the deletion, as this process is irreversible once completed. And there you have it, a thorough guide to deleting your Smartsheet account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guideline has helped you manage your Smartsheet account effectively. If you found this useful, consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day.